back to another vlog. This looks so yummy. I like to use shea butter a lot. So one down. Situation who sent you, you know, too much work. Baby girl be looking beautiful. This is natural beauty. So this gets fun, Sha. Hello everyone, welcome back to another vlog. My name is Chinwe. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Asaba. Okay, so this vlog is actually starting on a Thursday, and from Thursday there's a lot happening. I already have 2 makeup bookings, and they're actually happening on Sunday. One of them will actually come to the studio. She'll be coming earlier, while the other one I'll be going out for the job, and I'll take you all along with me. Yes, and right now I need to go out to get some of the products that I'll be working with, and I also need to get some things for the house as well. I also need to get my hair into a cornrow. I washed it, yes, and I need to get it into a cornrow. I'm loving my natural hair, and I think the edges are improving, right? Okay, so and I'll also be filming a recipe for my second YouTube channel. Yes, I have a second YouTube channel, and it is Chinwe's Kitchen. So please, you can head over there and support me. I already have a couple of recipes there that you will love. They are Nigerian recipes too. Yes, so basically that is it. And to my new subscribers, thank you so much for joining the family, and to my friends who have always been here supporting me, thank you so much. I do not take it for granted at all. Thank you. I don't step out of the house without applying my sunscreen. Like, wearing sunscreen is a must, and it's so sunny outside, like it's scorching here. I think we're gradually approaching the dry season, so it's important. Yes, I don't joke with wearing my sunscreen at all, and always use this aloe vera gel. I've been using this like back to back. You can see that this one, it's, you know, even exhausted. I need to get another one. This is so soothing, it's cool, like it's not harsh at all, and this actually moisturizes, softens, and it can also be applied to stretch marks, helps restore dry and damaged skin. It can also be applied to sunburns and, you know, skin irritation. Like, I love this a lot, and it's not so expensive. Who else uses aloe vera gel as sunscreen? Please let me know in the comment section. Okay, so have this. So I just dab it into my skin so it seeps in. Now, wearing a sunscreen is very important. Like in our region here, it's usually very hot and it's scorching, so kind of be going out exposing the skin on a daily basis, like without protection really. And what this does is that it actually helps to prevent the, you know, harmful UV rays from penetrating the skin. Okay, and that can cause, you know, a lot of, you know, skin disorder. And it also helps to prevent, you know, premature aging as well. Like, wearing a sunscreen is just good for the overall health of the skin. So this is the outfit of the day, and I really love black. Yes, I love black a lot. And also, I don't like to go out without my sunglasses, so this is the sunglasses of the day. And I also like to go with my shopping bag, so this is it. You have other smaller bags in it. So you're gonna see the full outfit of the day, so I'll see you all when I get back. Okay, this is the outfit of the day. My sunglasses. Guys, I'm so tired. The market is super hectic, like very, very hectic. So these are the things I got for the house. I got ugu leaves, fresh tomatoes, pasta, that's twist, honey for my custard over there, and my oat as well, and vegetable oil. I also got other veggies as well because I really do veggies. And my sister will be using the lemon there, as you can see, for her natural remedy for cough and flu. She has flu. I also need lemon too to do a DIY scrub. So my sister made me noodles for dinner, and this looks so yummy. I love it. I got home really late. All of a sudden it started raining. I got trapped. I was able to get my hair nicely done into this cornrow, and my sister made me noodles, yes, and I really enjoyed it. So I just want to quickly show you all the makeup products that I got that I'll be needing for my job this weekend. How did your day go? I hope you had a great day. Mine was super hectic. In a previous video, I did say I was going to introduce head wrap tutorial to the channel. This ashoke, I got it to add to the ones that I already have. So when I got it, it didn't come like this. So at the market, I had to take it there so that they would join it. You can see the lines, you know, the layers. So they had to join it, and it came out like this. So I could use this to tie gorgeous gilly and head wraps. Okay, and I really love the color. It's beautiful. Yeah. So the next product I got this matte sweat block fix spray, and the one I'm using actually is exhausted, so I needed to get another one by Bicham Ageless, and I think it's a Nigerian brand. So let me open up, and okay, this is what it looks like, and this came highly recommended, so I want to try it out. I've not used this one before, and it says matte sweat block fix spray, new UV water, refreshing, long lasting, improves skin roughness, intensive hydration, firmly locks in moisture. So I would really love to try this out. Yeah, so that's for this. So I got this mascara, and this one is by Kiss Beauty. I really needed this. And the next thing I got this lip gloss. Yeah, it said it's a matte lip gloss, and I really love the color. Yeah, it's nice. I like it a lot. Got this LA Girl Pro concealer in the shade Fun. This is my go-to concealer. I always use this concealer. And I got this Huda Beauty Easy Bake loose powder. I'm going to give this a try, and my setting powder just got exhausted, so I thought I would try something new. Okay, so this is it. So maybe when I do my makeup, you will definitely see how it turns out. I love this. Let me open up and see. Oh, this is it. I truly love the packaging. It's nice. I love it. It's beautiful, and this is in the shade Blondie. Yeah, so I'm just going to try it out and see how it works. It said easy bake, loose baking and setting powder. Nice. I love it. So I got this packs of razor blade for eyebrow grooming. Very important. I cannot be out of razor blade at all. Okay, and lastly, yeah, I got this shea butter. I like to use shea butter a lot for my hair. I actually make a sort of hair cream from this. I dissolve this and I add essential oils to it, like castor oil, olive oil, rosemary oil, even clove, and then I use it as my hair cream. I've been using it on my hair, and it's working for me. Yeah, I love it. Yeah. Okay, that is all I got, and it's quite late over here, like past 11 p.m., and I had a super hectic day. I'm so tired and I need to rest. Okay, so I'll see you all in the morning. Bye. Alright, so we're here for the job. We're here for the job and it's raining. It's been a rainy day. Okay, so let's go do the job. Abigail, say hi. Hi. Good morning. Good morning. Thank you. I'm here to see a guest. So we're in the reception now. We are waiting for my client. She's actually in the restaurant. Okay, so I'll see you all. Yeah. Okay, so this is what the reception looks like, and when I'm done with the job, I'm going to do a little hotel tour just to show you around. Still waiting for my clients to be fully ready. We're about to set up. So one down, she still have others to go. Good morning, guys. So it's the next day, Monday. I got back home yesterday from the job, so tired. I just freshened up, ate, and I slept. And I worked on 3 persons. I did makeup and gilly as well. That's head wraps. I'm sorry you didn't get to see my clients because they didn't want to be filmed. I had to respect that. It's not everyone that likes to be filmed. And the other client that was supposed to come to the studio, we agreed that she would come between 5:30 and 6 a.m. but she later called in and moved her time upwards to 11 a.m. so it actually clashed with the other clients in the hotel, so I had to call her to apologize that I will not be able to make it. So that was how yesterday went. So today I plan on filming for my second channel, which is Chinwe's Kitchen. I mentioned earlier that I have a cooking channel, yes, and I'm going to be filming banga soup recipe, also called ham nut soup. It's going to be like a sneak peek over here, so if you want the detailed video, you can go over to Chinwe's Kitchen and watch it all. Before this vlog will be out, I would upload the recipe to Chinwe's Kitchen, so it will be there already. It's not easy managing 2 channels all by yourself, where you are your own crew. Like, it's not easy. And I actually started making videos on YouTube. That was in 2020 during the pandemic, the lockdown. Yeah, though I've been on YouTube, but I wasn't really making videos. It felt like it was just the right time, because I'm this person that I don't know how to just stay or sit around and not do anything. So I said, okay, this is the right time, and I started it. I started this channel first, so and weeks interval I started the Chinwe's Kitchen. So it has not really been easy managing it and doing everything. Like, at times it's really exhausting. So at times I'll say, Chinwe, who sent you? Too much work. But I started it, and I'm going to be up for it, and I'm pushing. Please, you can go over there and support me. Okay, thank you very much. On this channel, I really do appreciate all your support, your encouragement. I truly appreciate it all. God bless you all greatly. Okay, so let's get into filming the recipe for today. Okay, I'll see you. Bye. Hey guys, so I was able to film the recipe and it's time for me to retire for the day, and hope your day went well. And I'm seriously loving this filming background that I discovered. I was just trying to turn things around and I discovered it, and it's given, it's clear, it's really nice. I love it and I'm going to maintain it. Yes, so I'm just going to do those fun things that I love to do for night time in terms of skincare. Okay, and it's going to be the end of this vlog. I'm going to be cleansing my face. I do not miss this at all, and I'm going to be using this cleanser, and it's from RDL Baby Face Facial Cleanser Cucumber Extract, for beautiful and younger looking skin. I've been using this like forever, and I just finished using this plain one. It's still by RDL Baby Face Plain Facial Cleanser. Yes, I love this a lot. It's not a sponsored ad, I'm just doing my thing. Yes, and I'll also be using this plain cotton balls. I like to use the plain cotton balls. I don't use the colored ones because so it doesn't fade into my skin and begin to cause any form of reactions. Okay, yeah, this is it. I'm just going to get my cleanser. Okay. Okay, so now this one is so mild, really mild. It's not harsh at all, and I love it. Yeah. Baby girl be looking beautiful. This is natural beauty. This girl is fine, sha. And next, I'm going to be going in with the ordinary. This is the ordinary alpha butene, and it is alpha butene and hyaluronic acid. So this can be used for AM and PM. So if you're using it for AM, you need to apply your sunscreen. Okay? Yeah. So I'm using this for PM. It's night time. Yeah. I'm just going to open this. Then. Gonna wake it up. So I'm just going to dab this into my skin so it seeps in. Basically that's it. So lovelies, we have come to the end of this vlog and I hope you enjoyed watching. So please leave me your comments, like, share and subscribe. I love you all greatly. Thank you so much, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.